guys, welcome back to my channel. Shar here today with a unboxing. Today I will be unboxing the YEEZY Boost 350s in the color, oh, these are Zyon. That's all I can remember, Zyon, but they're supposed to be like a neutral color you could wear with almost anything. So I ordered these off of StockX. First time ordering from StockX, so I wanted to see if everything was gonna be legit before I ordered some other items. But yeah, so I heard good reviews, so I went ahead and ordered these. I wear a lot of creams and browns, so I thought this would be the perfect pair to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them. So I guess it just slides open. Okay. Receipt. $3.20. Oh, these are the Boost Adidas YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Zyons. That's what these are from StockX. Don't know what that is. And here they are. Yes. This is the shoe. Got these because I think they would go with a lot of colors that I wear. Nice. Got these in a size 8. Verified. Authentic. Yes, yes. Springtime coming. Can't wait to put them on. You know what I also want is those foam runners as well. So I think since these came in right, I'm gonna order those foam runners as well. So that'll probably be my next YEEZYs. These are my first YEEZYs. I'm a little late, but yeah, jumping on the bandwagon late, but oh well. So yep, springtime. Will be rocking. You might see them on Instagram at least once. Here they go, StockX YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Zyons. Brown color, neutral. Should be able to go with a few things. Yeah, so that's the look. I'm gonna try them on for you. See how they look on the feet. That's all that matters, right? How they look on and if they fit. Like I said, these are size 8. Yes. All right. This is them on. Cute. Cute on. See the back. Yep, so this is the little outfit I did. Yes, the Zyons, here we go. I think they're cute. They look good on. I like the color. Very neutral. Yes, I like the little stripe. You can do these with creams, browns. I might even try a little gray. Not sure. Might look cute with gray. But yeah, you see I did the cream and brown, tan. It started raining outside, so won't be wearing the babies today. No, I won't. But yeah, that's them. They're cute. I like them. You know, little casual looks. I'm digging them. Yep. So there are some other Yeezys that I'm interested in right now as well. Another one I'm interested in are the Wave Runners. Now these are like one of the originals, and I think they're going to be re-released soon, so I'm kind of feeling those. I might get those soon. Now I already told you guys I was interested in those foam runners, but also the Yeezy slides for the spring as well. I'm interested in those. I want to try those on and see how they feel. I heard they're comfortable, but the slides, I like those. Simple, good for spring, so I might get those as well. Yeah. Another pair I think are so sweet are the Yeezy 450s. Now, since the first time I seen them, I thought those were so sweet. But even though I'm a little nervous about wearing them, but I always like them. I think they are so different. Okay, now this pair, I almost got over the Zyons because these are just too cute. I like these a lot, but I was just worried about the amount of outfits to wear them with, so I ended up with the Zyons instead, but those are real cute for sure. Now there are definitely some Yeezys that I am just not ready for yet, like the YEEZY Boots. I'm not ready for them. I don't think they look bad, but I just don't know if I could do them. I've seen girls on Instagram wear them and they look real cute on them, but yeah, I'm not ready for those yet. So I almost forgot to say that they're extremely comfortable, really comfortable. Feel like walking on air. Thanks guys for watching my review on the Zyons. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on IG at @SharaChanel_. And stay tuned for more videos. Out.